AppsFlyer Web Attribution measures the full user journey across web and mobile, from the campaign that brought them to your site to every action that follows. In this clip, we'll set up Web Attribution in AppsFlyer and connect it to your mobile apps for a complete cross-platform view. First, let's create your web app. Head to the My Apps page and click Add App. Select the website platform, enter your domain, and the app name. If you're migrating from people-based attribution, select your old web dev key, and you won't need to touch any code on your website. Click Next to complete the app creation. Now connect your site to AppsFlyer. The easiest way is to embed the Web SDK, also known as the Pixel, in your website. But if you prefer server-side, the S2S API works just as well. For step-by-step SDK setup, check the knowledge base link in the description. Once the SDK is live on your website, head back to your web apps settings page and find the Attribution Settings section. Set your attribution windows, choose a custom user acquisition event, and tailor the setup to match how your business actually works. Next, make sure your landing page link includes the right parameters. The Knowledge Base Guide walks you through building attribution links with exactly the level of granularity your reports need. AppsFlyer supports both standard UTMs and its own set of parameters. Now that your links are set up, the last step is to connect your web and mobile apps. Go to My Apps. Create a product line and group your web app and mobile apps together. Give your product line a name and click Create. Once your product line is set up, there's one more thing to get right. Make sure you're sending AppsFlyer the same user identifier across every platform. That's your web measurement setup done. In the next video, we'll cover what to do with your data, how to send it to your ad networks, and pull it into your BI tools. And that's web attribution. If you'd like more information, head to the knowledge base link in the description. Thanks for watching.